Good afternoon, team. It's about 1 o'clock, 12:30 on Monday. I will not be able to do an evening video after the market closes today. I'm leaving in about an hour from the office. I gotta take my wife to the doctor, so I will not be making a video this evening. So I kind of want to make something really quick right now. Also, I am not going to be adding any setups for tomorrow. We're not buying anything. Just don't buy anything right now. Everything, it's just like I said on Friday over the weekend. Um, Wednesday's the Fed meeting. It's going to be very volatile. Today's a continuation of Friday. Like I said, everything has been telegraphed. I've been pretty much on point with everything I've been telling you guys. I mean, right here, 21. We had this big high, peaked its head over the 9 on the Nasdaq, and it's been just down ever since. Today we broke this trend line. Remember, I had this trend line on the weekend video that I put on that we had a little higher low. That was the only thing. Today we broke it, and we went the low of the day. The volume is not, it's midday, so the volume is not really truly updated. This is the picture I sent on the chat where I was saying, this is the downtrend line. This is a downtrend line. This is a downtrend line. We have this here. We just completely just broke down when I sent that text on that I had a feeling. I think I sent it like around, I don't know, whenever I send it, it's irrelevant. That I had a feeling it was going to be a very, very down, 300 plus down day, come 3 o'clock. And I wish I was wrong. I still wish I was wrong. Maybe I'm wrong on the time. It came sooner than I thought. But I mean, look at this. It's like really high volume bars on the sell-offs. I mean, so I definitely was a little bit too early selling puts, but I have so much cushion. Let me just again finish up here in the Qs. I mean, this is breaking down. They go up and they break down. Even if you have a little rally, that's going to be another little wedge to break down. The puts that I sold today, this is the vertical on CMG. I have the 1300, I think it was. So somewhere around here, I'm very comfortable with that. Amazon, I think I have the 2200 or something like that. That's somewhere down here. Sorry, somewhere down here. So again, I'm extremely comfortable with that. The other one is Google. I have the 2000. That's down here. I'm extremely comfortable with this. I mean, we're at a 12 market timing MT. So I'm pretty comfortable with Google at 2000. Datadog, I have the 100. That psychological century mark that should hold. It's really selling off, so I still have a little bit of cushion here. If anything, I could always roll it. What else? Apple, I have the 145 right here. Again, I'm pretty comfortable with that. I mean, it's just been selling off like crazy. But again, I could always just keep on rolling. I'll be okay with this. And then the other one is Microsoft. I have, I think, the 250. Right? So I got all this way to go. Again, I'm pretty comfortable with this as well. So again, I was a little early, so I could have received more premium if I would have waited a little bit longer. But hindsight's 2020, right? So who knows? I saw the MT breaking down below 20, so I started slowly building up my positions on the long side by selling puts short. Again, I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying Microsoft at 278, hoping it goes up. I'm just saying, hey, Microsoft could do whatever it wants as long as it doesn't go below 250. I make money. That's really the bet here. The same thing with Amazon and Google and so forth. Again, these are all big names, so I'm not doing it on like $20 stocks or anything that I have no idea what they're gonna do. Let me see what these guys are doing. PayPal, PayPal's holding strong, up 27 cents in the day. Again, I see. This is a perfect example. I wouldn't sell puts on PayPal, because look at this. Tell me if this does not look worse than this, right? This is kind of like, still holding relatively, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is breaking down, but it's not something like it's this steep. And again, they have that 20-to-1 stock split, so that always gives it a little pop. So I have a little edge there. So I have a built-in kind of like safety net, down here. The same thing with Google. Google's not doing this. Yeah, it's downtrending, but it's not like, these guys are, let me see what Snap's doing. It's down another 6% today. I mean, it's like, let me see what Square is doing. Wow, Square's down another 9 points today. I mean, this was a gift here. This right here was a gift. If you own Square, at 130, I would have been out of it. Hit the 50, and look, never saw it again. Let me see what else. SQQQ is doing good. I'm making decent money on that one. You want to load? Let me see how Facebook is doing. Facebook is down, a couple. And remember, I had the 220 something here that I closed on Friday, so that could have been a little bit more money today, but who knows, SQQQ up 2 points today, so I'm up nicely on this trade, very nicely. It's not offsetting what my drawdown is on the other ones that I got into early, but it's hedging my portfolio pretty nicely. I'm probably gonna get rid of it today. If I could generate about, I think right now I'm up like 300% in this trade. If I could generate like another 50% on it, I might just take it out. I don't want to be too greedy, and I'm already up 350% on the trade, so might just take it off. I took a little loss on USO. USO, like I said, what did I say I was gonna do? I was gonna hold it until it broke the 21. Today broke 21, so I did what I said I was gonna do. I got rid of it. It's it, simple as that. Just if this, then that. No hesitation. Let me see how the SPY is doing. Again, this broke this trend line. Again, the volume is not updated because it's the middle of the day, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But again, everything is breaking down. Obviously, everything is breaking down. We keep going lower here. We keep printing new lows on higher volume. So don't buy anything here. Don't try to bottom feed. Don't try to catch a low. You can't catch a low. Just like you can't catch a high. It is what it is. Again, this was telegraphed. I've been saying this for a long time. Just stay safe, stay out of the market. If you don't have the margin or you can't sell puts or for whatever reason, you could do it on a vertical. So like for example, the Amazon trade, you could have sold, my 2,000 that I sold here at the 2,200. You could have bought the 2,000, giving you a vertical rather than a naked, and that would have gotten you in the trade that way. The same thing. Whenever I sell a put, whenever I sell a put, let's say I sell the 145 naked, you could buy the 135 to protect it, and then you have what's called defined risk. So your risk is only this right here. So you're still trading the same scenario where you don't want it to break the 145, but you're not naked. You're not 100% exposed to the downside. You're protected right here. I do it naked because I have enough margin to do it, and I know how to roll it. But if you don't have enough margin, you can protect it and you could do a vertical. Yeah, receive less credit, but it's the same trade, and you can still get trade to receive premium on a high volatility market. With the VIX at right now it's at 32.67. It's up almost 2 points today. The MT's at 12 right now as I'm making this video. So There's definitely a lot of volatility. The only saving grace here is tomorrow is turnaround Tuesday. So hopefully we get a nice little pop tomorrow, at least just enough to get maybe up here, and then all the puts that I sold today, they're all going to be at least 35% profitable, at least. So we get, that's going to be at least 3 or 4 grand. And if we continue to go lower, yeah, I'm going to have a continuous drawdown on those. But, I have a lot of cushion. I showed you on each one of them how low my strikes are. So there's still a little bit of cushion. And I'm pretty sure Wednesday, at some point in the day, whatever happens with the Fed, we're going to have a pop. Even though it might later on be a continuous, even lower breakdown, somehow in the day, there's going to be a pop. So maybe in that pop, I can catch, some profit and reduce risk. So I have a couple of days to kind of like manage this. So we're either I go one, reduce risk by taking profits, and two, just close them out altogether because, we had a nice little trending, even might be just, not sustained for a day or even for a couple of hours. It doesn't matter. I don't need much. Just if we have 100, 150 point, 200 point pops sometime in the day tomorrow, everything I just did today is going to be like very profitable, very. So that's the trade. Again, no video for later on today, so I want to get this one in there just to kind of give you the idea. I don't have any stock setups because I do not want you guys buying anything. Just stay clear. Just be patient. Be patient. A better times will come. Patience pays. Okay, guys. I will make one tomorrow after the market closes and see where we're at with things. Stay safe and just be patient. And right now it's just time to sell premium. That's about it. That's all I'm doing. That's what you see that I'm doing. All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Any questions? Please always email me, text me. I am here to assist you in any way I can.